Hi everyone, it's Cheryl here from ideasforcardmaking.net, and I just thought I'd do a quick unboxing. Now this is actually my personal purchases. As a design team member of Couture Creations, we do get a certain amount of products sent to us every few months, but I generally don't do an unboxing simply because we get a number of collections, and quite often we are not allowed to show those to you until Couture Creations have released that collection to the public. So these are my personal purchases. There's a lot of stuff that I've ordered for Christmas, but there's also a lot of stuff that I had on back order. So this is quite a big selection here, but I just thought I'd share it with you because there's some absolutely stunning items in here for Christmas. Now this one, this is called, if I can find the name, oh here it is here. This is the Happy Holidays nesting dies, and these are the tall cards, and in this you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dies, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dies. And I'm looking forward to using that. Now I don't normally make the tall cards. I've bought some bags as well for those. I did have a set. Now this is actually, it's all falling apart here. This is actually one that I got as a design team member. As you can see, we don't get them in the packaging because we often get the prototypes. But that's one I've had, and I really enjoyed doing that one. And I'll just quickly, oh no, I can't show you the card I did because that's coming into a blog soon. So I did do another card in that one. So this is the one I've just bought. I sell my cards to local shops, so I've bought a couple of bags of the cello bags to go, sorry, a couple of packs of cello bags to go with them. I've also got, somewhere down there, I've got the tall cards and envelopes. I'll show you those in a minute. These are the new Deck the Halls design paper. I bought both sorts, which is the Spirit Melodies, and this one's the Winter Dazzle. I'll quickly, can I open those quickly, or are they all sealed up? Oh no, I can open. I'll just do a quick flick through. I've been waiting for these. I actually had these on back order for ages and ages. And, oh, they're so thick. I can't believe how thick these are. Okay, so, I don't know if you can see these. There's some gorgeous labels there. And I'm trying to make it so you can see all those labels. There's another one under here. Is it the same? Yeah, that's the same. I'll just try and flick through. These are just really lovely, and they're so thick. It's like thick like cardboard. Cardstock. It doesn't actually tell you here what the thickness is, but they're really thick. These are all of the patterns. They're just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And you could, if you're a bit frugal like me, you could actually cut that out and use those deer on a card as well. They're just stunning. I'm not going to go through all of them. I'll just kind of flick through a bit for you. Right, that's that one. I'll just open this other one. I'll just give you a quick look at that. Alright, that's the other one. Can you see that? I think you can. Oops, upside down. They're just beautiful too. These are going to make amazing cards. Just beautiful. Same thing, paper is just so thick. I'm just going to see if there's labels at the back as well. It doesn't look like it. Isn't that beautiful? Just gorgeous. Again, I'm not going to go through them all because there's just too many in there. And I really wanted to make this a fairly quick video for you. Anyway, I've got 2 of each of those. I've got, these are the metal tips and pins to put in your glues, so that they're not really thick, and then you can seal them up. So they've been on back order for ages for me. This is the alcohol ink paper, and I ordered the wrong size. I normally get the A4, but I can still use these. That's not a problem. This is my tour cards and envelopes. So you can see you get 50 of each. I think I've got, yep, 50 of each in there. So they'll be great. So that's the card stock, and they're already scored. So they'll be great to use with this set and the one I've already got. So I'm really happy about that. I bought some glitter paper. I use a lot of glitter paper and I'd run out. So this one is actually copper because they didn't have any gold left. But this is very close to gold anyway, to what I normally use. I can't put my hands on it because I've got stuff everywhere here at the moment, but this is very close to gold. It's just a much deeper colour. So that'll be good because I'm totally out. That's all white cardstock. That's white cardstock because I'm nearly out of cardstock. And this one they've told me is really good. What's this one called? I think this was called Snow. I'm just trying to see. I think it was called Snow White. No, Alpine White. Sorry, there it is there. Alpine White. And they've told me this one's really good for foiling. And I do a lot of foiling. So that's going to be great. Okay, so talking of foiling, I've got 3 packs of the pink. I go through so much of the pink foil. That's the pink foil iridescent flakes. I go through a ton of that. I bought myself the alcohol ink blower. I'm just having so much fun with the alcohol inks. I actually had an old cheap one, nothing like that, but an old cheap blower I was using, and it was really difficult to use, so I bought one of those. I've got some more alcohol ink blending solution because I've used so much of what I've got. I'm just trying to find the bottle I've got. I've already used nearly half a bottle of the bigger one, but they didn't have any big ones left in stock, so I bought the small ones instead because I don't want to run out. And I bought a heap of alcohol inks because the ones I've got are transparent. Just see if I can get it open so I can show you what I've got. I bought some pearl ones that are a bit they're a bit more solid, if that's the best way to describe it. Here we go. Okay. See if I can get them out. Get some scissors and just chop them off. I think it might be simpler. Alright, so I've got 2 of each colour. So I've got where is it? What does it tell you that one is? It's a pink of some pearl imperial. Yeah, imperial's the colour. So that one's imperial. That one's lake. That one's fern, and that one's bubblegum. And I basically wanted to try and get some Christmas colours, so I think when you shake that one up, it's a bit redder. Yep. So those 2 were for Christmas colours, for Christmas cards, and these are just because I know I'll use them. So that's the alcohol inks. I have got some dies. So that's the rustic Christmas tree. These are the mini dies. I've got the reindeer baubles. Whoops, sorry, did I get that out of view there? Reindeer baubles. And I've bought also the holly centerpiece. which you can't really see very well there. See if I can rip that out and show you what that looks like, because I think this will be really nice on the cards as well. So that's your holly centerpiece, and there's a bird on the top there. And what else have I got? These gorgeous embellishments, which I don't know if you can actually see how good. The glitter on there. I'm just trying to, can you see that? I think you can. They're just absolutely stunning. And I think they're probably going to end up on some tall cards. They're absolutely gorgeous, and just when I saw them in the catalogue, I knew I had to get them. I've got, I think I bought 3 different lots. This is a reindeer one. These are all self-adhesive, and I don't think they don't feel flimsy. They're quite thick. They're just beautiful. I'll just have a look, show you. But they really are quite beautiful. If I can get it out. So I do have trouble getting stuff out of packs like this because of my arthritis in my hands. And you can see they're actually quite thick. Can you see that? There's 2 layers, and they've got foam tape between them. And they're all like that, and they're quite thick. So they're going to be great to put on some cards as well. So that's it. I can't wait to get into those. These are just, it's just going to be great. Alright, I hope you enjoyed seeing that. And it gives you a bit of inspiration. Once I get some cards and things done with all of this, I'll put them up on my blog, and hopefully I might get some up on YouTube as well. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.